Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to let you know that your Numa is popping today as well as always. Okay, so you guys keep asking for cooking videos. Here we go. Typical olive oil with the sunflower oil mixed in it. We're gonna have garlic, salt, and ground black pepper. Today I'm making chicken thighs for Walmart. It was 8 pieces for $7.20. Let me see, I cut up half of an onion, a whole red bell pepper, just rubbing in the meat and the oils. As always, I like my little, I guess, base. I don't know what to call it, but we're gonna call it like broth juice. I don't know. At the bottom with water and olive oil. Now you just see me massaging the seasoning all throughout my meat, on top, underneath, and underneath the skin. And here we go. Okay, my babes, so make sure this whole time your oven was preheating on 350. Yes, I know that part of my oven always looks dirty. I really don't know why. I'm sorry. Anyway, so preheat it to 350, put it in, we'll be back. Let's get it. Okay, we're back. So you only need to cook chicken for max an hour, but me and my household, we like it overcooked basically. So right here, we left it in for 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes, as you can see. Just looking at it. Just making sure I'm turning it over, getting all the sides to be submerged inside the base, the oil water, and that's really it. So right here, I'm just giving you guys some good action so you can see up close and personal what's going on. In total, I cooked the chicken for 70 minutes, an hour and 10 minutes. And that's just because I like both sides to be in juice, and you're going to see me pick up a spoon, and I'm going to be covering it in the oily water to begin with. And then you're going to see me testing the vegetables. Yes, I actually do eat the vegetables. It's not just for decoration. And then later on in this video, you're going to be seeing me top it with dry cilantro as a garnish. All right, so right here is just time to go ahead and check and taste your meat to see if it's to your liking or not. And that's what you're seeing me right here do, struggling with a spoon and fork trying to do that. So yeah. Okay, so right here, I'm just making some jambalaya rice right out of the box. I think it's called like Zazans or something like that. But everybody knows the company. That's the first thing your black mom grab off the shelf. So I put 2 boxes of the jambalaya mix in there. I was supposed to have the actual sausages to cut up to put in there, but Tyler ate them. So it's just the rice, unfortunately. But now here's an up close of the chicken. And like I said, if you wanted to make it pretty, put some garnish on it, girl, just get something green and dry. And I promise you, it'll look the same. And voila, it's done. I told you that garnish was going to set it off. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and make sure to subscribe. We already have 510 subscribers. Whoop, whoop. Shout out to you guys. I highly love you so much. Thank you for watching my videos. We're on our road to 1,000. That's the end. That's the goal by the end of the year is 1,000. So go ahead and help us out, join the family, and subscribe. Thank you.